guys, this is Salty Pringle here, and I'm doing a white noise online. Hopefully you can enjoy and sit back and relax. Alright, where are we going? Who's going to be the leader? Okay, let's do this. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna look at that one. Okay. Oh, it's there again. I've actually played this in the past. I have completed it in the past, but with other friends. I think that one's going to be the leader. Just talking again. I think that, yeah, this is where a tape could, that guy was on his own. This looks like where a tape could be. I can hear it as well. Oh, yeah, sounds like. Wait, I want to read this. Oh, I can't read that well. In this game, like, there's these statues that say like white noise online, but they spell white as W-I-T-E. Like, sorry. Oh, damn. I'm just gonna go. Where did the other person go? Oh, right. Yeah, cool. I can't pick it up though. I don't understand all these landmarks in one big place. But it's like outside. But, whoa! I think something happened then. I'm just gonna go. Wait, do I have to stay with them? Do I have to stay with them? Getting rang again. What is that? Oh god, that's not him, he's gone. Oh no. Wait, oh god. Look down, 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 look down. Oh my god. Right guys, this is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and when if I hit 10 likes or 20 subscribers, I'll be doing the Banana and Sprite challenge and probably the Try Not to Laugh challenge. So, like and subscribe, and you'll see them.